kitchen friends. Let's make a quick pan sauce. Here's what you'll need. A dirty pan from searing steak or pork, aromatics like shallot and thyme, white wine for deglazing, mustard and butter for creating an emulsion. Return the pan to high heat. Cook the aromatics for about a minute until fragrant. Add the white wine to deglaze the pan. Scrape the bottom of the pan to release any fond or little cooked on bits. Those add a ton of flavor to the sauce. Reduce the wine by about half. When the wine is reduced, add about a tablespoon of mustard to the pan. Finish the sauce with about a tablespoon of butter. When you add the butter, be sure to whisk or stir rapidly to incorporate. Adding mustard and using cold butter will help create the emulsion. An emulsion is what makes the sauce thick. Let's take a closer look. Make sure the sauce stays warm until you're ready to serve it. Now you know how to build a brilliant pan sauce for everything from steak to salmon. Thanks for watching.